Welcome to WHM. This is Guru, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start your own white label or private label web hosting business. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can use Feature Manager to earn a separate amount of revenue by offering add-on to your client. Okay. Now I've discussed about packages in the last video. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead back in the last video and check the video. And I have told you how you can actually use with offering packages to your client. You can offer them add-ons using Feature Manager and charge them an extra amount of money. Okay, so let's start. Now before getting started, I just want to explain you what is actually we are going to go through today. Okay, if you go for our web hosting plan, like this is the starter cloud plan. If you continue with the starter cloud plan, it costs about $1.19. Okay, but with this plan, I just want to actually add a test domain name. If I search it down and continue with this domain name, here you can see that we are offering WP Toolkit as an extra add-on, and we are charging $8.99 per month by offering this add-on. Okay, if somebody want WP Toolkit in their C panel, they have to pay us this amount. Okay, same like these many web hosting companies charge for backups. They charge for software plans, website builder. If you do want to offer your client this feature as an add-on, like payment as add-on like WP Toolkit, software plus, or any other tool like in your cPanel like Node.js, you can do offer your client them, and you can charge them, and this you can use this same method to charge your client about a double amount of money as an add-on. Like for example, a few hosting product web hosting plan is starting at just $1 or $2, but they are offering that add-on at a price of $2 per month, or maybe $3 or $5 per month. Like many web hosting products charge for get backup for $5 per month. Still, when we started WHOYIST.com, we were still charging the same amount of like $5 per month for jet backup, but now jet backup is free in our web hosting because all web hosting companies are not offering this feature for free. Okay, that's why we are still offering this feature for free. Okay, but if you want to use this feature to earn a separate amount of revenue with your clients, so you can continue offering them this feature. Okay, so let's see how you can actually use this feature to earn a separate amount of revenue with this web hosting business. So let's get started. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting, and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Nodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at WHOYIST.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel light speed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at WHOYIST.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts. Okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at WHOYIST.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP Toolkit, and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP Toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for NameHero, ChemicCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP Toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at WHOYIST.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at HOYIST any other reseller hosting product, but at HOYIST we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as a paid add-on. Okay. Like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but right now we are on. Let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan. Business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for OS.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay. So I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available. On you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3. I don't know. But right now we have free WhatsApp support, customer support available. Okay, so let's get started with our video's topic. Let's log into our WHM. And this is how the CPAN and WHM look alike. And in today's video, we are going to actually follow up CPAN and WHM because CPAN is the most well-known control panel by web hosting. Now, if you watch the last video, we have discussed about packages. And if you haven't watched this video, I suggest you to go back and watch the video, because in that video, I told you how you can use Feature Manager. Okay, so we are going to, so in today's video, I'm actually going to explain you what is the use case of Feature Manager and how you can actually use it to generate a separate amount of revenue by offering add-on. Okay, then let's get to the Feature Manager. Now, Feature Manager right now, if basically what we are going to do, we are, if we add a package, like suppose if I have already added a package, I will just go ahead and edit this package. If you scroll down, you can see here feature list. Okay, these are the feature lists that right now we are offering to our clients. If you want to limit our add-ons right now here, let's suppose you are creating a website package, name as webhosting starter plan, and you don't want to offer site builder or Jetpack for any other add-on like this. You can do what you can do. You can just go ahead and create a feature here like without Jetpack, Jet backup and the limit toolkit. Okay. You can add this, like if you want to limit just jet backup, you can just get this up and just click on add feature list. Here you just need to check this option. Okay, these all will be checked. Now, as I told you, without jet backup means we will not just only offer jet backup. You just search for jet backup, and here you just need to uncheck this option. Okay, and when you will click the save button, click the save button, this feature will actually be saved. And when let's select here, and if we reload the page and check the package here and check this feature manager feature list here without Jetpack, what it will do, and when we will save the change, this package will be created without Jetpack. What does this mean? Now we can actually ask our client to pay us for the Jetpack to continue getting Jetpack. Let's suppose you don't want to offer a few more add-ons. Okay, you don't want to offer Jetpack and WP Toolkit. You can do like this, Jetpack and WP Toolkit, and just you can go for, and then if we search for Jetpack right now, we can just check this not offering Jetpack and then WP Toolkit. Okay, same as at WHOYIST we are offering WP Toolkit for free. So I'm just going to decheck this, uncheck this option, and then just click this option. Okay, now if I reload the page, and if I go for the feature option, I can just actually select this option, And now basically this package is without feature, okay, without jet backup and WP toolkit. Now this package is basically without jet backup and toolkit. And now if you want to open your query this as an add-on like without jet backup or WP toolkit, you can charge them for offering this feature. But again, if you ask for my suggestion, I would not suggest you to continue with offering as such a plan without these offering add-ons, okay. Offering add-on is a good option if you have a good volume client base, a good client base that could pay you a good amount of money, okay. If you are targeting a client country or a client that is actually not worth it, you can't charge them for this add-on, okay. Let's suppose if a client gets to you, you have created a package in which your client accounts will be automatically created, okay. Like this package doesn't come up with get backup and WP toolkit, and your client purchases this, and after 1 month they won't get backup and WP toolkit on their plan. But you can do. Now you have to just create a default package. Right now by default there is a package called default created already, but I will suggest you to go for offering another feature from you, and another feature by using feature manager. Create a feature from your side so you can do manage it. Like when your client account will be created in the WHM, and after 1 month they are tired of anything and they won't check back up in their hosting, what you can do, you can just go for list account. And when you will go for list account, so guys, what I have done right now, I have created a account for you guys to explain you. If we go for login into a cPanel, right now we are not offering we are offering without jet backup and WP toolkit. If I go to go and login into my new cPanel client account, it will be without jet backup. If I scroll a bit down here, you can see we can't find jet backup, okay. If we search here jet backup, there is no jet backup here, okay. And if we go for searching a WP toolkit, here you can see the WP toolkit is actually available at here also. But if we go for searching a WP toolkit, it's not available right now here, okay. Now let's suppose if you want to offer your client a jet backup tool or WP toolkit here, what's the option for you to offer them? The only option for you to offer them is this. Let's suppose I have created an account for you guys, okay. If I go for list account section, here you can see I have created a cPanel client account which has no access to WP toolkit, okay. If I go for searching a WP tool, there is no. If I go for searching a jet backup, there is no about here, okay. But if I want to allow the access of a jet backup and WP toolkit, what I can do, the first option is you can change the whole package by offering the feature list. You can select the default here, and then you can click save changes. And if I reload here, this account will have access to jet backup. Here you can see here, now this account is now available with jet backup, okay. But if you do not want to go in, but you can't edit the package right now, what you can do, you can just go to the client account. You can just click on here, and then you have to create another package that named as web hosting starter plan with WP toolkit and jet backup. And you just have to go for the change plan button, and you have to there will be another package. Like we have now only one package right now. You have actually option here to run a package. You can use the package button to click to and when you will click on the package and click on the upgrade or downgrade button, the WHM will change the package for the cPanel client account. And what it will does, it will do show the feature manager and allow the features. Like right now I have allowed the access to here in the package. I have changed it to default. With default is now available with jet backup. This is how you can use this method to earn a slight amount of revenue by offering add-on. And I'm going to tell you guys, most of the reseller hosting or web hosting product do earn a very good amount of money by offering add-on to their client. And similarly, we have now offered WP toolkit as a separate add-on. Most of the client do require WP toolkit with their cPanel. So we have started charging for WP toolkit. If you do want to offer your client the same, you go for the same procedure. You can follow the same procedure by offering this as an add-on. And I will suggest you to offer these as an add-on, like site builder, soft tacklers, jet backup, and another is if you want to do offer, and the last one is WP toolkit, okay. I will suggest you to do offer these features in the starting of your web hosting company, but after 3 or 5 months, when you have a good client base like 100 or 50 or any, you can change this as an add-on, and you can create. And before doing this anything like this, make sure that you have terms that would allow you. Otherwise, if you will do this, your client will migrate from your web hosting within a few minutes, okay. There will be no use case of getting the client, those who will actually migrate, okay. So keep in mind and actually go for targeting the audience that is going to pay you about that field. Let's suppose you go you charge third tier country, like second tier country, they will not actually going to pay you for the add-on, okay. Like you may be familiar with the countries in the top tier 2 and tier 3. They will not be going to pay you for these add-ons, but still maybe most of people pay for the add-ons. But I will not suggest you, if you are working in tier 2 and 3 web hosting tier 2 and 3 countries, do not offer these add-ons. Okay, if you are in tier 1 level countries, go ahead and offer this add-on, because these clients are not going to pay you. Okay, the best is, if you are an agency owner, you are offering web development or designing services, then you can go ahead offering these, because I have personally experienced as a website designer. I'm personally a website designer and a web developer. I do started whis.com as an agency owner when I left my job after when I started actually whis.com. The reason why I started whis.com is to offer web hosting to my agency clients. Okay, the same way in the starting, I told you I charge for these add-on, but between the time I started overlifting these add-on, because basically my client, those the traffic I was actually getting is from tier 1 or tier 2 or 3 countries. Okay, so we were not getting conversions from those countries. That's why we started offering this, stop offering those feature, and then we started do now. Right now we are offering WP toolkit as an add-on, because WP toolkit is not at all well known offered, but still most of the client do actually demand for it, and will charge for 8.99 per month to offer them. Okay, so you can go ahead offering these add-on, and you can literally make a double amount of revenue from offering these add-on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is the greatest video for the entrepreneurs, those who are actually going to enter into this field, because this video is going to be helpful for them. Okay, offering a slight amount of revenue, and this most important thing is, if you will be offering jet backup as an add-on, you don't actually have to manage it manually. Like, the best thing about this and like this is, you don't actually have to manage these features like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep sharing. If you like this video, share to a person who actually require this kind of add-on. Okay, thank you so much for watching.